In this video, we're gonna go over why females can absolutely crush it in solar. Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the best solar channel on the freaking planet. My name's Ivan and I help people start and grow a profitable solar business, running everything remotely, achieving location independence and financial freedom. In this video, it was very dear to me because, again, I had a situation with someone. What it was that she told me she started a door knocking job, and what she didn't like about it is that she had to be on her own. Basically, they would train her, they would show her the path of how she needs to do things, but then she would need to go out there and be on her own, which is quite scary, to be honest with you. I wouldn't feel comfortable like my fiance going out there and doing that same stuff on her own. Like, I don't know what nut jobs are out there. I don't know if she'd be scared, but I'd be afraid of letting her go out there. And I could totally relate why she was feeling that way, because it is freaking scary. A lot of people think that, hey, you're starting in solar, so you automatically need to go out there and door knock. That's not how it is. You can work from home and do a lot better than going out there. The reality is that we live in 2022. You can work from home. You don't have to go out there on your own and knock doors, drive thousands of miles, and have people not show up for their appointment, which is part of the deal. I get it. But you don't have to do that. And I'm making this video because I genuinely believe the females can absolutely crush it in solar. And the reason for it is because females are a lot more receptive initially to talk to. They're a lot less of a threat than a man is, even on the phone. And they're a lot more trustworthy for the most part. And so those three components combined, that makes it a killer. That makes for an absolute assassin on the phone when they're trying to do the same thing, which is sell solar. And a lot of the times when we sell solar, I always tell my guys, the product sells itself. You just have to sell your personality. And just the fact that someone can build rapport on the call, that is so crucial. And I believe that a female could be a lot better at building rapport at the initial stage of the call, a lot better than most men would. I feel like they're missing out big time. So if you're a female watching this video, I'm honestly making this for you, or I'm making this for a guy that's watching this and maybe they're like, oh, okay, you know, my lady has been wanting to do this, but she doesn't know how to do it. Well, listen, that's exactly what we do. I show people how to start in solar the right way without banging their head against a wall, without running around like a headless chicken, not knowing what to do. You skip all those steps. And all you need to do is just check out the first link in the description and sign up for the webinar. But that's neither here nor there. I wanted to specifically make this video because, again, I believe females can do extremely well in this industry, especially the way we teach it. And let's be honest, most of the solar industry is male dominated. And I don't believe that should be it. I believe females have a lot more they can bring to the table, and they can do extremely well if they were to do this the right way and the way we teach it. I don't recommend to anybody to sign up, go out there and door knock. Again, like I said, I honestly wouldn't feel comfortable letting my lady go out there and do this, simply because there's a lot of good people in the world, but it could be that one nut job, and no. It's not going to happen. Not on my watch. Again, this is a message, a simple message to all the ladies and dudes that are watching this and don't know how they're going to get their wives or girlfriends involved in this beautiful industry. Well, this is how. Just have them watch the training first. Okay, honestly, no pun intended, but I wanted to just make it extremely difficult for people not to be able to succeed. And that's one of the reasons why I made the training. That's one of the reasons why I'm making all of these videos. This was not really an educational video. Honestly, it was more so to do with the fact that I want to see more and more females in this industry. And I believe that they could do extremely well if they were to do things the right way. And I don't believe that just simply knocking doors is all there is to it. I believe that there's a lot more ways to skin a cat and a lot better ways. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed yet to the channel, make sure you do so you don't skip any of the solar content. And if you have someone that you know they'll benefit from the information on this channel, share it with them. Again, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Take care.